She say, do you love me? I tell her only partly. I only love my bed and my mama, I'm sorry. 50 dub, I even got it tatted on me. 81, they'll bring the crashers to the party. And you know me.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jewlee Beautee, and today I'm going to show you guys how I got this look. I did get inspired by somebody. Hold on, I don't know who it is. If you guys know who this person is, let me know. I saw this picture and I was like, yes, I have to do something like that. Those colors on the eyelid is freaking pretty. So yeah, I didn't come up with this on my own, but I did make it kind of my own, like with the glitter. You know, I had to add glitter. But yeah, and I do have new lights and stuff, and I do have a new setup. So just let me know if you guys like this lighting better or how the quality is and stuff, because I'm pretty excited. Like, I feel like professional even though I'm not, but you know, like, I don't know. Oscar helped me. And do you guys like my little background? My little background is black shimmers. Okay, and I was able to figure out how to do a little viewfinder on my phone, so look, I could see myself. What? I know, I was like, wow, that's pretty cool. So if you guys see me looking down there a lot, I'm sorry. I'm gonna get used to not looking at that. And also another thing is my camera is up now, it's not right here, so now you don't see my double chin because I don't got one. You know, in my other videos you could, because I had this thing right in front of me. I know this does not look right, but this is what we use to vlog, and this was what I used to use to do my makeup tutorials. But now I'll have to use this thing, and it's always lopsided. Like, we had to always figure it out how to do this right, and yeah, it just kind of sucked. But yeah, now I have a ring light and I have it put up there, so yeah, I'm just more excited about the fact that you guys can't see my little double chin. Not my little double chin because it's not little. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So I am starting with the primer. Oh, actually I already primed my lids with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance, and I'm just gonna go right in with my palette. And the palette I'm taking today is the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take these two colors right here, this one and Creamsicle, and I'm just gonna put that into my crease. I use a R40 by Morphe, and now I'm gonna take the Morphe M433, and I'm taking Hunt's. What are you doing? I'm just gonna put that into my crease. Now I'm gonna go back in with the R40 brush, and I'm just gonna go back in with the first two shades that we used, which was this one and this one. I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, I have the names here. So I had taken Silk Cream and Creamsicle at first, and then now I'm gonna take Jax and Roxanne, and I'm gonna mix those two together, which is these two right here. I'm just gonna put that on the outer corner, and then go back with my M433 and blend that out. Gonna add some more. Blend it out with the same brush. This is a RG18, and this one came in with my Morphe subscription box. That's how I started my Morphe brushes collection. And yeah, if you guys want a video on my favorite Morphe brushes, and you guys think that would help you guys, if you guys are barely starting out and really want some affordable brushes, I would love to make that video for you guys. And I'm sorry if I'm whispering, it's because people are over there and I don't know if they can hear me or not. Usually I film when there's either just my brother here, or nobody's here, or everyone's asleep. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. I'm gonna cut my crease with the M421 from Morphe. Excuse my nails, my nail lady is still in her country, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera because, you know, that's gonna take too long. So I'm right back. Okay, so I went ahead and I cut my crease, and so now it's gonna be the fun part. So I'm taking in Twerk and Royalty together. I'm gonna mix these two, this one and this one. And I'm gonna apply that right in the middle of my eyelid. Okay, I'm gonna take a little mirror so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. And then I'm gonna take Pool Party. This one right here. And I'm gonna put that right next to that shade. This thing is so vibrant. Oh my goodness, what did I do? And then I'm gonna go back in with Royal. I'm mostly putting Royalty and just like a little bit of Twerk. And I'm gonna add some more onto there, kind of blending those shades in together. And then Pool Party, and further blending them together. And going back in with Royalty. It's like you have to keep on blending these two right here, so it's like really gradient and not just like switching right to that color, you know? You know. And then the next color that we're gonna add, I'm gonna wipe my little brush on a little towel. Then I'm gonna take Sissy, which is this shade right here. Sissy and Sissy and Little Lady. And I'm gonna put that on the inner part of my eye. And I think I'm gonna wet this one. No, actually no. I'm just gonna apply it in the inner part. Then I'm gonna take Pool Party and blend that in with the Little Lady and Sissy shade. And going back in with Sissy and Little Lady. Blending that in, back into Pool Party. So it's that little gradient look. And then we're gonna go back in with the G18 brush, and we're gonna go in with Chip and Soda Pop, which are these two dark shades right here. This one and this one. And we're just gonna deepen the outer corner out because since we have that dark purple right there, we don't just want to go to that light color. We want everything to look seamless. Then I'm gonna go back in with my M433 brush and blend that out. Oh shoot, that scared me. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my M250 brush, M250-2, and I'm gonna get some NYX glitter glue. I'm sorry if I'm like not like all circles and butterflies. Taking my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just gonna dip into this. And like since this brush is like an eyeliner brush, I want to like make it really thin. I'm just gonna line right there where I cut my crease. I'll just show you. And now I'm gonna take my NYX glitter in the shade 06. Wait, there has to be a shade. Crystal. I'm just gonna apply that to wherever I applied the glitter glue. Yes! I'm gonna do my face. I'll come back and tell you guys whatever I use. Also, all of the products on my face will be listed down in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so something just came in the mail. I'm so excited. It's my Morphe Me, what I just told you guys about. So today's theme, this month's theme is Cupid, of course, because it's February, whatever. So it comes with the E23 E50 and an E34. Let me just show you guys. I'm so excited. I love the Elite collection. It's so pretty. Well, these are like the more expensive ones or whatever, so I feel bougie or whatever, but you know. So this one's my favorite, even though I never tried it. It's probably it's gonna be my favorite. So this is the E61, and it's a highlighting brush. Yes, you know I'm gonna use this today. It is so fluffy. Okay, and then the next one, I think I already have this one, but you can never have too many blending brushes. The E23. Yeah, sucks I couldn't use it today. And then this is the last one. What is it? What is it? What the? Does it not have a name? Oh, the Morphe E34. It's so nice. Oops, it already shedded one little hair, but look, it's so soft. I guess this is like a blush brush. Let me see. Yeah, tapered blush brush. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. I'll probably just come back and do my highlight and my blush on camera just so that you guys could see these in action. So yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Oh my god, I love this foundation. This is the the Estée Lauder Double, and I am in the shade Warm Vanilla. I love it so much. It's so full coverage and it just makes me happy. Okay, so I'm gonna take the new E34 and I'm gonna set my face with this like around my nose because I know my nose needs some work. I'm taking my Milani face powder. This looks like this. I'm just gonna set around my nose. Okay, that's my most oily place. A little bit up here. And now I think I'm gonna try this with bronzer. Oh my god. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna take my butter bronzer and I'm gonna bronze my face. Yes! Yes! Okay. I found my new bronzing brush. Oh, I love it! Now I just have to get a new one of these. I like to have like new stuff. Like, look, I'm already almost done with this. Okay. You know what other brush I like? I like this one. This is the E41. It's humongous. So I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge and I'm just gonna clean out my contour. I hope you guys can't hear the thunder. I mean, it's not even thundering. I meant, what's it called? What's it called? What's it called? The rain. Oh my gosh. How do I not remember what it's called? I'm so dumb. I'm really dumb. For real. Okay, I'm going to take the new Morphe E61 brush and I'm going to highlight with it. I don't know what highlight to use yet, but we going to find out. We gonna find you. Okay, I'm going to take Starburst from this palette right here and Bubbly. Okay, I'm gonna mix these three, sorry. Oh, and this is that glow kit. Yeah, that glow. You guys see that? Oh my gosh, this is my new brush. This is my new brush. Why am I yelling? Oh dang. I hope it's not too late to get that. What the heck? It's working better than my Anastasia Beverly Hills number 823 brush. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my makeup. I'm probably gonna finish one eye and then I'll come back and finish the rest. Okay, so I decided to just do the lower lash line on here because I don't want to dirty the brush and then have to, you know. So I'm gonna take I'm taking Creamsicle and Silk Cream, which is these two shades right here. And I'm just gonna go under the lash line. Now I'm gonna take the M431 brush, and I'm going into Hunts. Okay, and with this same brush, I'm gonna go into Royalty and Twerk just like I did at the top. I'm gonna wet the brush. Now I'm taking Pool Party and I'm gonna put that next. Oh my god, I'm getting it all over my eye. So I'm gonna take Sissy and Little Lady and then put that in the inner part. I'm just gonna take Obsessed mixed with Enlight and see what that comes out with. I'm gonna put it everywhere. So I'm gonna take the RG18 brush and I'm just gonna take a little bit of creamsicle and go under those colors. And that's it. So now I'm going to take some mascara, and the same mascara I'm going to use is the Maybelline Sensational Lash Sensational. So I'm going to go apply some lashes and also the mascara, and I'll be right back to finish the lips. Okay, so I know my hair is messed up and I did do my lips off camera, but I'll tell you. So I put the Kiss Me in the shade Luxe, and then the lip gloss that I have on is the Anastasia Butterscotch Lip Gloss. Yes, it was a free gift. I don't remember when I got it, but I know I got it at Ulta. And then the lashes that I'm wearing are the, if you don't already know, it's the M8, wait, hold on, I should know, but I don't, hold on. It's the Miss Lashes and M811. And yeah, they're so fluttery and pretty and whatever. Oh, I'm gonna set my face with this new Milani setting spray, and it's called Make It Last. Okay, well this is embarrassing because you can see my chair. Have you been able to see my chair this whole time? Because I don't really like my chair. I need a new chair. What chair should I get? Should I get a white chair or a black chair? I'm looking more for a black chair because I'm not black. I'm so stupid. My favorite color is black. So, you know, I have to have black everything. Like, I wish I could wear black right now, but I can't. So, yeah. Anyways, I talk too much. So, yeah, this completes the look. I hope you guys enjoy watching this little tutorial, even if my nail was missing throughout the whole entire video. But yeah, I love you guys, and please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And also make sure you guys click the little notification button so that you guys can be notified whenever I post new videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And you know me, turn the 02 into the 03, dog. Without 40 Ollie, there be no me.